What is up, everybody? What is up, everybody? What is up, everybody? It is Mr. E with your daily update on the BTC. Here to talk about some money and where it stands currently. Nothing on this channel is financial advice. So we got our chart. We can take a look where we're at today. You can see yesterday was just kind of a little inside bar. Doji candle. Let's take a look at the stochastics going up the time frame. 4 hours crossing up. 6 hour cross up. 12 hour little cross up. 18 hour cross up. But the daily, you could see, just kind of took a nosedive yesterday. This is a little concerning for the short term. Could see the down pressure continue a little bit. Another thing I noticed on the 3-day stochastic, some divergence forming right here. Stochastic RSI. Again, the higher time frames are still postured upwards. So not much to worry about there. Big picture, it's just more of a question right now of how far are we going to pull back, unless we see some bear crosses on these higher term time frames. You can see recently we had a MACD cross, bull cross on the 3-week time frame, which is pretty substantial signal. MACD crosses on these higher time frames. So let's take a look at a couple other charts. This is one that's been jumping out at me. This is an important one to keep an eye on. The Gaussian channel, 5-day. If we get a closure above this channel, it could be a good sign. You can see when that happened last time around here, it kind of propelled the next bull market. Over here as well, too, back in 2015. Something to keep an eye on. This will close in another day tomorrow. UTC, wherever you are in the world. Something to keep an eye on. Take a look at our little hypothetical short trade. Again, this is not financial advice. It's been a couple days now. We're just in the middle of our little target area. Let's see if we get down and hit it. Things are progressing as expected so far. Let's take a look at our RSI. The 4-hour RSI, you can see this little downtrend line starting to form. Could actually draw another one here, and this would be sort of a channel, a little RSI channel developing here. And this is a pattern I've seen play out time and time again with the RSI. You get these downtrend lines, and then a break of that line usually leads to a nice little move upwards over here. See what happened over here. Really big one over here, and it looks like the same thing is kind of playing out again. And if you look at the MACD on the 4-hour, this most recent reading was kind of a statistical outlier in recent history, but you can see we don't get up past these levels very often, unless there's a lot of volatility in the market. So you can see things are kind of resetting towards zero. See if we go below that. You can see the histogram kind of coming back up. So there is a little momentum coming back into the market. Little hidden shoulders on the histogram here. We'll see if we get a cross up. And is this the end of our pullback, or do we have further down to go? That is the question right now. See if this trend line holds on the 4-hour. If we pop up through here, it could be a good sign that our little pullback is over. But again, looking at these stochastics on the larger time frames, the daily, and a 2-day. This is the daily. It's the 2-day, and the 3-day just had a bear cross. And none of these really got up to the 100 level. So you can see the momentum is slowing down a bit on these higher term time frames, but see if the bulls come back in and push us further up, or if we're just gonna correct down a little more. Let's do a quick fib look on this. Yeah, we didn't even touch the 236 yet, and after a move of that size, 46% or whatever, 48, almost 50% move. If we don't even touch this level, that shows a lot of strength in the market. Almost too much, one could argue. So that's your update for today, Saturday, low volume weekend. Thanks for tuning in. This is Mr. E. I will see you tomorrow.